Welcome back everybody. Continuing with the 13th question in exercise 1.7. Welcome back to Easy Mathematics by Sky. We are completing this series of 1 mark in this video. If u is equals to x, x belongs to n and x is lesser than 10. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 and b is equals to 2, 5, 6, 7, 9. Then n of a union b whole dash is. From the given data, we write the value of u as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A is already given to us, b is also given to us, n of a union b whole dash. So first we find a union b. This is a two-step process. A union b 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 union 2, 5, 6, 7, 9. And then when we find union of it 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we find dash of it. So u minus a union b. So the dash becomes 4. Hence n of a union b whole dash equal to 1. So the option for this is 1. Now question number 14. For any three sets p, q, r, p minus q intersection r is. We are given with 4 options: p minus q union r, 2 p intersection q minus r, 3 p minus q union p minus r, 4 p minus q intersection p minus r. So if we see this, p is left from subtracting q intersection r. By distributive property, we get p minus q union p minus r. So the answer for this is 3. Therefore, p minus q union p minus r is 3. Which of the following is true? A minus b equal to a intersection b. This is not possible. A minus b is equals to b minus a. This is also not possible. A union b whole dash is equals to a dash union b dash. This is also not possible by De Morgan's law. So a intersection b whole dash equal to a dash union b dash. So this one is correct. So the answer for 15 is 4. So answer for 15 is 4. A intersection b whole dash equal to a dash union b dash. So the option is 4. If n of a union b union c is equals to 100, n of a is equals to 4x, n of b is equals to 6x, n of c is equals to 5x, n of a intersection b is equals to 20, n of b intersection c is equals to 15, n of a intersection c is equals to 25, n of a intersection b intersection c is equals to 10, then find the value of x. So what do we do is, we substitute this in the formula given like this: n of a union b union c is equals to n of a plus n of b plus n of c minus n of a intersection b minus n of b intersection c minus n of c intersection a plus n of a intersection b intersection c. So as we calculate these values, we substitute first in the formula. So 100 is equals to 4x plus 6x, 5x minus 20 minus 15 minus 25 plus 10. So 4x plus 6x plus 5x become 15x. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 minus 60 plus 10 becomes minus 50. We take minus 50 to that side of equal to, it becomes 100 plus 50, which is equal to 15x. So ultimately it becomes 10. So the option for this is 1. Now coming to question number 17. For any three set a, b, c, a minus b intersection b minus c is equal to. So this intersection will be empty because a minus b is the independent region and b minus c is also independent region, hence therefore it is empty. Question number 18. In question number 18 we have, if j is equals to set of all three sided shapes, k set of shapes with two equal sides, l set of shapes with right angle, then j intersection k intersection l is set of isosceles triangle, set of equilateral triangle, set of isosceles right angle triangle, set of right angle triangle. So as you can see, three-sided figure forms a triangle. This with two equal sides forms an isosceles triangle, and it should be right angle. So intersection of all three should be Third one, set of isosceles right triangle. So the region in this, the shaded region in the Venn diagram, question number 19. First, z minus x union y is second, x union y intersection z, z minus x intersection y, and the fourth option is z union x intersection y. In this, option for question number 19 is z minus x intersection y, which is 3. In a city, 40% people like one fruit, 35% people like only 2 fruits, 20% people like all the 3 fruits. How many percent of people do not like any one of the above fruits? So what we do is, we write all the values. N of A plus N of B plus N of C is equals to 40%. N of A intersection B, B intersection C and C intersection is equals to 35%. N of A intersection B intersection C is equals to 20%. So we need to add all these values. This add up to 95. So 95% of people like at least one of the fruit. So how many people left? The people left are 5%, and the option left for them is 1. Hence, we complete this series of 1 mark. Now, subscribe the channel. Thank you.